Hey everyone! Want to stay in the loop of everything happening in Qwenlm.ai? Notifications are a fantastic way to get instant updates and make sure you never miss important information. Whether it's about the new feature, project updates, or anything else that matters to you, ready to get started and turn those notifications on. It's super easy, let's jump right in. First things first, you need to go to Qwenlm.ai website. Now log into your account if you haven't. Now look for the option for profile picture, which is in top right corner. It's over here. Did you find it? If yes, tap on it. And tapping on profile icon, open the settings option. Tap on settings, which is over here. Tap on it. Now on the settings section, you can see an option for general. And on the general, you can see an option for notification, which is over here. And there's a switch just beside it. Over here. To turn the notification, simply toggle it on. And that's it. You have successfully turned on the notification in Qwenlm.ai. Now you will be sure to stay updated with everything important. Easy peasy, right? If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.